come on. Here, Dill. Film this. Here, film the fish. Do not drop my phone in the water. Oh, that sucker let it go, dude. Anyways, this is what we're out here doing. As you can see, I was clearly on just a minute ago. Throw him right back out there where we left off. Okay. I got Dill, the flounder pounder. We're out here and it's pretty damn frustrating because everything is fucking jumping around us and nothing is hitting our bait. We're throwing lures and live shrimp. And I think this is a school of ladyfish. There's hundreds of them right here. Right there. Look, there it goes again. There it goes again. It's pretty frustrating when you have like 100 fish jumping around you and nothing wants to eat your bait. But, you know, there's gonna be some days like that. And I'll take those days on top of the good days, and I'll take any day that I can get out here on the water. Especially with my boy. Still in the same place that we like to go. You know, the water's way up there. Motor's running good. Finally, you know, after, you know, months of repair and money. But, man, what can I say? It's worth every dollar when you can come out here and enjoy this. And we're back on. Alright, Dill. Film. Did he? Oh no, he's still on there. Okay. Yeah, he's still on there. Oh, he let it go. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Total heartbreak city today. What the hell are you? It's like the Predator. What the hell are you? We're gonna find out. Anyways, we're gonna continue on and we'll update you guys. Dill, I almost had him, Dill. You heard it right. What color was he? I didn't get to see him. Dang it, he's probably a redfish. He felt like a good redfish. They're all right here, dude, like off the edge of this grass. They're coming in off that thing over there. There's like a river over here. Come on. See the river? Just don't go out there too far because you don't know how deep it is. It could be 3 feet. It could be 30. Now, more like 13. But still, deep enough to drown you. Especially in waders. There it is. Yep. Okay. Come and get the net, dude. It feels heavy. Finally! Oh, it's over there. Reel it in. Reel your line in, and I'll let you know when you get it ready. Okay, yeah, it's a red. Hold on. I'm gonna bring it to us. He's not ready yet. You gotta let them tire themselves out. Plus, I love this fight. It's a redfish. Good one too. Here, I'm gonna bring him right to you. Net him. Net him. Oh, dude, come on. You're killing me. Get him in there. There you go, from the face first. Now lift him up. Lift him up. Okay. Come on, bring him over here. Alright, hold on. It was very difficult to do. Here, put him in the boat. Oh, I hate this stupid fucking app. Here we go. I don't know, we're gonna measure him. He's pretty big. Okay, so we found out what it is. It's these guys right here.
Go get it with the net.
Hold on, Dill. Yeah, hold on. Get the vice grips, those red and blue grips over there, Dill, and put them on his lips. And do not let him go for the life of you.
Like last time?
Yeah, like last time where you threw him out in the damn water. Okay, put him right here. Yeah, you got to put those on him. So, first fish of the day. You can see why everything is jumping out here, you know, freaking huge fish. We thought were skipjacks, but they're actually mullet on the bottom lip, Dill. Hook them on the bottom lip. Close it all the way. There, now bring them right here. This little thing right here will dehook him. He looks too big though, I think. Slide him all the way up here. Okay. Oh, dude, he broke the hook. Dude, he straight up broke the hook. He's a freaking monster. He's the same guy I had on a minute ago. Okay. Here, I'll take over. You hold this. Do not drop it in the water. Let it go. Oh, he's good. He's a solid 23 and a half, 24. That's a keeper right there, boys. He gets wide and all outside. Look at her. She's big Bertha. Look at that big old belly. What the hell she been eating? All right, let me see that. It's a 24. It's a good 24 incher. I'm gonna try for a little longer. Hold on, no. Where is my freaking I'm gonna have to use this.
Stringer?
Yep.
I think, yeah, you left that at home.
I think I have this. Open his mouth. Alright, let him go. So I gotta put a new hook on.
Huh?
I have to tie a new hook. That's what I needed right